Welcome to KASHMIR'S world. Today we doing the part 2 of the bucket challenge. This time it's the muddy bucket challenge. Got the mud in there. And
with water and pop.
Yep. And KASHMIR, he's gonna have to make the monster truck go into the mud, or he could make it come past this finish line, the finish line. But if he don't make it past the finish line, or he don't make it inside the bucket, then he loses. So let's get this started. Let's go. Yep, you go. Toe! The first try. Give me some of that. Dang, he made it go in there the first try. Alright, we're gonna sit him over there. Alright. Second contestant. Let's see what he's gonna do. Almost. Alright. Number 3, you can leave him right there. Ooh, well, he made it past the finish line, so.
Like he was standing on his tires. Like that was insane.
Yeah, it was. Alright. This one gotta stay right there because he wet right now. You wanna clean him off?
Yeah.
Get the water. Yep, just open it up and pour it on him. KASHMIR gonna clean him off. Give him a good rinse. Alright. Then now you gotta shake him off. Get him and shake him.
So he gets to be in the right one.
Yep. Alright, he all good to go. Alright, let's go. Let's see if we can get all 3 to make it. He didn't make it. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm gonna push this farther to make it a little bit of challenge.
Yes.
Alright, now you gotta make it in the bucket or make it past that one. Oh, that was close.
Can you choose my spoon?
Alright, let's go again. One more time. Try to get at least 2. Let's try to at least get 2 in the mud. You got 1 in there. Let's see if you can get at least 2. He didn't make it. Dang, he didn't even get close. He ain't make it to the finish line. Alright. You want to try it one more time? You want to try it one more time?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go. Hold on, let me push it up a little bit. Alright, go. Dang, look at that. He hanging on for his life. Alright, do the last one. I don't know if we gonna, I guess that's a half a point. That's a half a point since he almost got in there. Do that one more time.
Yeah, because he did in the land. That's why he's going to get a bullet this time. Oh my God! He was about to push him.
Alright.
Oh.